Are you struggling to find a portable power bank that can keep up with your active lifestyle? But here's what surprised me: Anker, a brand known for their reliable and affordable charging solutions, has just released the SOLIX C300, a game-changing portable power bank that packs a punch in terms of capacity and features. For the best price, click the link in the description, but don't just take my word for it. In this review, I'll dive into the top 3 things you need to know about the Anker SOLIX C300 so you can make an informed decision about whether or not this power bank is right for you. Let's get started. Deep dive. The first thing that stood out to me when testing the Anker SOLIX C300 was its massive capacity, a whopping 20,000 mAh of power in a compact and lightweight design. This means you can easily charge your phone, tablet, or other devices multiple times on the go without needing to worry about running out of juice. But what really sets this power bank apart from others is its advanced features. For one, it has Quick Charge 3.0 support, which allows for up to 80% faster charging speeds than standard charging methods. This means you can get back to using your devices much more quickly, whether you're on a road trip or just need a boost during the day. Therefore, if you're in the market for a reliable and feature-packed portable power bank that won't break the bank, the Anker SOLIX C300 is definitely worth considering. But there's one important thing to keep in mind: RVing 1. Before we dive into the next point, let me ask you, are you tired of using low-quality power banks that can't handle even moderate usage? Don't settle for anything less than the best. Now that we've covered capacity and features, let's talk about safety. The Anker SOLIX C300 has multiple protection systems in place to prevent overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, giving you peace of mind when using it on the go. But what really impressed me was the attention to detail in the design. Not only is this power bank compact and lightweight, but it also comes with a built-in USB-C port for faster charging and data transfer. This means you can charge your newer devices like the latest iPhones or Samsung Galaxy phones at full speed. Therefore, if you're looking for a power bank that's not just reliable but also convenient to use, the Anker SOLIX C300 is definitely worth considering. But there's one important thing to keep in mind. RVing 2. Don't forget about the warranty and customer support behind this product. Anker offers industry-leading 18-month warranties and dedicated customer service teams to ensure you get the most out of your purchase. Resolution. In conclusion, after testing the Anker SOLIX C300, I can confidently say that it's one of the best portable power banks on the market. With its massive capacity, advanced features, safety protections, and convenient design, this power bank checks all the boxes for anyone looking to stay charged on the go. Therefore, if you're in the market for a reliable and feature-packed portable power bank that won't break the bank, I highly recommend checking out the Anker SOLIX C300. And as always, make sure to get it from Amazon. Not only will you get the best price, but also enjoy industry-leading shipping and customer service. But don't just take my word for it. Check out some of the amazing reviews from other customers who have already made the switch to the Anker SOLIX C300. And as a special bonus, make sure to use the link in the description below to get the best price on this incredible portable power bank.